Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: PS5 online, PlayStation Network active, and your Microsoft credentials handy. Once the game launches, select your profile, then choose Sign in with Microsoft. This kicks off the authorization flow. You do this because Minecraft links Progress and Realms to that account. If prompted for a code, note it. Make sure your phone or email can receive verification. Proceed immediately to the on-screen steps, so the console can display the Microsoft login prompt and pair with your. Once done, you open the URL shown on your PS5 using a browser on your phone or PC and enter the code exactly as displayed. You sign in with your Microsoft email and password, and then approve the device access so Minecraft can link accounts. This step ensures cross-platform play and saves. If you use two-factor authentication, complete that verification now. Make sure to allow permissions requested, because without them, your worlds and multiplayer access won't sync properly back to the console. You finish by confirming the successful sign-in message and checking your gamer tag in the corner. That verifies the link. If it fails, first quit Minecraft and sign in again. Sometimes a fresh restart and re-entering the code resolves token errors. If problems persist, clear temporary cache on the PS5, verify your Microsoft account region and Xbox profile status, and ensure two-factor authentication is set correctly. One key tip: if you see a permissions error, revoke and re-grant access from your Microsoft account security page before.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.